Changing careers in the TikTok shop is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Reach out to the seller through the TikTok shop platform. Look for contact information such as an email address, customer support link, or messaging option provided by the seller on their TikTok shop page. Clearly explain to the seller that you would like to change the courier for your order. Provide them with your order details, including the order number, to help them locate your order in their system. Politely request a change in courier and specify the new courier you would like to use. Provide any necessary information or preferences related to the new courier. The seller will guide you on the next steps to take in order to change your courier for your order. This may involve canceling the existing order and placing a new one with the desired courier, or they may be able to update the courier for your existing order. Review the seller's shipping and return policies provided on their TikTok shop page. This will help you understand any potential fees, restrictions, or implications associated with changing the courier for your order. If you encounter difficulties or if the seller is unresponsive, you can reach out to TikTok support for assistance. They may be able to facilitate communication between you and the seller or provide guidance on resolving the issue.